Sweating through another brutal summer because your central AC just cannot keep up? I tested the top portable air conditioners on the market so you do not end up wasting money on an oversized fan. Today, I'm counting down the best portable air conditioners from number 6 down to the absolute best unit you can buy right now. Some of the popular names you see everywhere might actually disappoint you, while a few hidden gems completely blew me away during testing. Let me explain exactly what makes or breaks these machines. 6. Whynter ARC 14S. I mean, this thing is basically a legend in the portable cooling space. Everyone talks about it, so I obviously had to bring it into the test room. On paper, it looks like an absolute powerhouse with its 14,000 BTU rating. You unbox it and immediately notice it feels incredibly heavy and utilitarian. The big selling point here is the dual hose system. While in theory, dual hoses are vastly superior because they do not create negative pressure in your room, I turned it on during a humid afternoon, and yes, it definitely blasts out freezing cold air. It brought the ambient temperature down fairly quickly compared to older single hose models I have owned. The dehumidifying function also pulls an insane amount of moisture from the air. But here's what matters and where things start to fall apart for me. The noise is just inescapable. I mean, when the compressor kicks in, it sounds like you have a small diesel engine idling next to your bed. You try to watch television or take a phone call, and you find yourself constantly raising the volume just to compete with the Whynter. It is entirely too loud for a bedroom or a small office. Then we have the installation process. The included window kit feels like an afterthought. The plastic pieces are flimsy and the hoses themselves are ridiculously stiff. You end up wrestling with these thick tubes trying to get them seated properly without snapping the window bracket. 5. Midea Duo MAP12S1TBL. I was genuinely excited to test this one because the design actually makes sense. Instead of 2 separate bulky hoses, Midea combined the intake and exhaust into one sleek tube. It looks much cleaner sitting in your room and does not take up nearly as much floor space. The cooling performance is technically decent. It uses inverter technology, which is supposed to save energy and maintain a more consistent temperature. I mean, it does cool the room smoothly without those massive temperature swings you get from traditional units. The air feels crisp, and the fan pushes a good volume of air across the room. However, let me explain the reality of living with it. The smart features are incredibly frustrating. You are supposed to be able to control everything from your phone, but the app constantly disconnects. I spent more time trying to pair the device to my Wi-Fi network than I did actually enjoying the cold air. When you pay a premium for smart functionality, you expect it to work properly. Another glaring issue is the proprietary hose design. Because it is a unique shape, you absolutely cannot use aftermarket window seals or extensions. If the included window bracket does not fit your specific window perfectly, you are completely out of luck. I had to use an absurd amount of weather stripping just to seal the gaps in my testing room. Ultimately, the Midea Duo is a brilliant concept, ruined by poor execution. SereneLife SLPAC10. Now, this was a very pleasant surprise during my testing process. I honestly did not expect much from a smaller brand, but this little unit holds its own. It is incredibly compact and actually looks like it belongs in a modern home, rather than looking like industrial equipment. I mean, the portability is fantastic. It rolls effortlessly on its caster wheels and is light enough that you can easily push it from the living room into the bedroom at night. The digital display is bright and intuitive, so you do not need to study a manual just to turn on the fan. It comes with a remote that actually works from a decent distance, too. Here is what matters regarding the performance. It is rated for smaller rooms, and it handles them perfectly.
I set it up in a home office that gets direct afternoon sunlight, and it kept the space completely comfortable. The dehumidifier setting is also surprisingly aggressive, which is a massive bonus if you live in a muggy climate. You know, the noise level is much more tolerable compared to the previous units. It still makes a humming sound, obviously, because it is an air conditioner, but it's a smooth, consistent white noise. I had absolutely no trouble sleeping with this machine running a few feet away. It just fades into the background after a few minutes. The SereneLife SLPAC10 is a fantastic choice if you are cooling a specific smaller space. It does not pretend to be a whole house solution.
3. Uthfy Portable Air Conditioners. I will admit, the name is strange, but the performance is absolutely top tier. This unit takes a slightly different approach, focusing heavily on airflow and versatility. Right out of the box, I was impressed by the build quality and the sheer size of the air vents. The defining feature here is the wide-angle oscillation. Most portable ACs just shoot air in one single direction, creating a freezing cold spot while the rest of the room stays warm. While the Uthfy swings its louvers back and forth, pushing that chilled air into every corner of the room. It makes the entire space feel evenly cooled very quickly. I also really appreciate the water management system on this model. With many portable units, draining the condensation tank is a miserable chore that involves tipping a heavy machine over a shallow pan. The Uthfy has a smartly designed drainage setup that is easily accessible. I mean, it is a small detail, but it completely changes the maintenance experience. The energy efficiency is another huge win. I ran this unit constantly for several days and monitored the power draw. It sips electricity compared to some of the massive power-hungry units on the market. You know, you can leave this running through the hottest parts of the day without panicking about your next utility bill. This is a highly reliable, genuinely effective cooling machine. The Uthfy is perfect for medium-sized living rooms or master bedrooms. 2. HUMHOLD 14,000 BTU Portable Air Conditioners. Let me be clear, this machine is an absolute beast. If you have a large, open concept space or a room with vaulted ceilings that refuses to cool down, this is exactly what you need. It is visually striking with a very clean, modern aesthetic that blends right in. The sheer cooling velocity is staggering. I turned this on in a sweltering testing room, and within 10 minutes, the environment was completely transformed. The compressor is incredibly powerful, yet smoothly calibrated. It does not violently shake or rattle when it kicks into high gear. It just silently ramps up and delivers a wall of icy air. You know, one of my favorite things about the HUMHOLD is the dedicated sleep mode. They actually engineered this properly. When you hit the sleep button, the fan speed drops to a whisper quiet level and the LED display completely turns off. I mean, there is nothing worse than a bright blue light illuminating your bedroom when you are trying to sleep. The window installation kit provided by HUMHOLD is genuinely excellent. The panels slide together securely, and they actually provide enough weather stripping to create an airtight seal. It took me less than 5 minutes to get the exhaust hose perfectly mounted. Everything just clicks together exactly the way it should. Bottom line, the HUMHOLD is a premium piece of equipment that justifies every penny. It brings central AC level cooling power to a portable format. EUHOMY Portable Air Conditioners. I test dozens of appliances every year, and very few impress me completely from top to bottom. The EUHOMY achieves the absolute perfect balance of cooling power, quiet operation, and effortless usability. It is simply the best overall experience you can get right now. Let me explain why this one wins. The compressor technology inside this unit is beautifully refined. It cools a room just as fast as the heavy-duty 14,000 BTU models, but it does so without making a racket. You can hold a normal conversation right next to it while it runs on maximum cool. The sound profile is incredibly pleasant and unobtrusive. The self-evaporating system is an absolute game changer. Well, basically, you almost never have to hook up a drain hose or empty a water bucket. The unit atomizes the condensation and blows it right out the exhaust hose along with the hot air. I mean, I ran this thing for a solid week in high humidity and never once had to manually drain it. The controls are delightfully straightforward. You get a crisp, clear touch panel and a highly responsive remote.
There are no confusing smart apps forcing you to create an account just to turn the fan down. It offers pure, immediate functionality. You plug it in, press cool, and within seconds, your room feels amazing. The EUHOMY is the undisputed champion of portable air conditioning. It checks every single box. Final thought. That's all for today, folks.